What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I'm at the fair, as you can see, and I just wanted to vlog a little bit because we're getting a picture done of us, a drawing. So I'm gonna vlog what I can because it's getting dark. Say hi. Say hi.
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Hello.
Cute.
He got my chin hairs. He got my chin hairs.
All right, so tell him your name. Where are you from?
Feel me? Start with him.
Okay.
I'm IC from Hartford. From in front of
Nathan, you already know Wavy Nate.
yeah, Wavy Nate. What up, Chino?
All right, Coco, fit check. Like, tell me what you're wearing. You got some polo sweats on, okay? Okay. What you got on? Okay. Some red shorts. Fit check. What you got on? Some Jordans.
I got some motherfucking 11s on with some motherfucking feel me and
What y'all doing tomorrow?
I mean,
Okay. Fit check. What you got on? Some. Okay. Some sandals.
Shirt, some sandals, some jeans.
Period. What you got on? A dress? Some sandals? Wow.
You feeling safe?
Yeah.
That's why you're recording?
Yeah.
That's okay.
That's on my mom, my parents over there.
We're recording too, just so you know.
Okay.
I don't feel like you should be pointing the light right at her face.
Pointing the light?
Yeah, like that's not necessary.
I can't see.
Well, I'm talking to you.
Alright, but like you have it in her face, not at me.
Okay.
Alright, that's cool.
Is this better?
Yeah.
You want me to do that?
That's cool, bro. Whatever you want.
Okay. You want to hop out?
Yeah, I got you.
Hey, bro. Put your hands up there.
I'm gonna drop the keys in the wall.
No guns, no knives in your pocket?
No, sir.
Is this your wallet?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Can I grab it?
Yeah, I'm gonna have to go down.
Hey, we all good? We all good?
But
Tell
the
them what
cops,
happened.
they
Tell
ain't
them
do
what
shit
happened.
to us. All they did was put us in handcuffs like some bitches and search us. They touched my meat. The nigga might as well beat my shit, bitch. I'm like, do it, bitch. Fuck. Shit.
Say hi, vlog.
Hi vlog. What's up YouTube? Hey, look at Christian.
Show you again. Say hi. Tell them it's your video. Say hi. I'm good. Look. Say.
I'm good though. What's your name?
Nathan. Wow. Christian.
Kiara.
What's your name?
Go slow, so you can see her.
What's your name?
She said.
What's your name? What's your name?
Coco.
What's your name?
Look, it's not in his face.
What's your name?
Nah.
It's everybody anyway.
Great vlog, great vlog. I love it. Thank you.
Come here. I'm gonna train you.
What would you like?
Okay.
Can you get like two of
This is straw. This is straw.
Is it straw?
all the stars?
I don't know how to ice it. I had a Coke. Red Bull. Coke is over there.
I had a lemonade.
Fuck, they gave me a bent fork, bro. Fuck, man, that's some bullshit. Yo, this
Look
shit.
at his fork.
Really? Wait till she comes out with a million sauces. Bro.
You got a drink?
Beach day. Riding deep. Breakfast out. Say hi, Nani.
I voted for that.
Say hi.
Eat this shit. Hi.
Yo. Oh, my nigga, you already know what the vibes is. Me in Miami.
Oh my god.
Dumping. You know who it is, man. Listen, last day here. Jinx, talk to them. Talk to them. Hey, I know y'all like it when I'm in the video, so let's close this video out. If y'all ain't watching this video, you will. I can't even say that. I'm not saying that shit. But yeah, y'all like and subscribe to my dog, y'all. If y'all don't, you a bitch made nigga. My nigga Milo gonna whoop your ass.
Get my dog Coco. He got a nice ass fit on with the chain, with the shoes. Okay.
Thank you guys for watching.
Stay tuned for another video.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, bangers on the way.
Stay tuned, man.
We flying to Colorado
They going
soon.
crazy. Stay
I
tuned.
wish.
Stay the fuck tuned. Fuck.